how to turn Snapchat into dark mode, or how to enable dark mode on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps and how you can easily enable dark mode on Snapchat. Well, the process actually is pretty simple than you think. So let me guide you through this video. First things first, you want to open up Snapchat and then you want to make sure you're logged into the account. Here you can tap on the profile icon at the top left corner and you'll be on your profile. You can view my profile on the screen right away. Once you're on the profile page here, now simply tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you tap on settings, scroll down and you should be able to find the option app appearance. So simply tap on app appearance and you're on the next page. Here you'll be on the always light option. In order to switch to dark mode, you want to simply tap on always dark option and then tap on restart now, and now you'll be switched to dark mode. However, here with settings under app appearance, you'll find other options as well, which is match system, which means you want to match your Snapchat theme with your phone theme. That is, if your phone is on dark, Snapchat will be on dark as well, or if your phone is on light, your Snapchat will be on light mode. You can set that, or you can simply tap on custom app theme. However, this is for the premium users, so you'll have to unlock it using the premium, so you can set your custom theme. For now, this is how you can enable the dark mode on Snapchat or get the dark mode on Snapchat. Hope this video has helped. Do like and subscribe.